Hi, if you want to set Emoji Wallpaper on iPhone 16e, then you need to open Settings on the phone. And here find tab which is named Wallpaper. After that, click this blue button to add new wallpaper and scroll down till you can see Emoji category. Here you can pick something from those suggested options. For example, let's choose fish. And now you can swipe between styles, so you can see how my wallpaper changes. And also you can tap here and change background color like that. Also, we can tap on the emoji icon and change it up to 6 emojis. So we can add, for example, hearts, or you can erase everything and set your own emojis like a wallpaper, and it will look something like that. After that, you can of course change time, also change its intensity, size. You can also change font color to match your wallpaper, and you can add some widgets and also remove those widgets or replace them. So yeah, to save changes, it is enough to simply tap this add button like this. And now you can either set it as wallpaper pair or customize home screen. Let's choose to set as a pair. Now we can tap it. And here you can choose to blur it or to not blur just by tapping this button. You can tap on color and switch from pair option to color or to gradient and tap done. And this is the result. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.